When I first got started on YouTube, I was so confused. What is a card? What is the click-through rate? What are all the different terms that we find in the YouTube analytics and just in the YouTube community? And so in this video, I want to break down all of the different terms and what they mean so that you can be the most successful on your channel, because when you understand what some of these things mean, you can understand the strategy behind YouTube so much better. So I'm Mandy Sommers. I have been teaching marketing for the last 4 years online. And if you want all these terms, you're going to find them in the description so you can download them and refer back to them. Let's jump right in. We're going to go from A to Z. The first term that I want to introduce you to is the APV, which is the average percentage viewed. This is the percentage of video that the viewers watch before clicking away. And so this is important to know so that you know how to keep people on your content. They always say watch time is king. It's more than just about the views, it's the minutes. The next one is a VD, which is average view duration. And this is the average amount of time the viewer spends watching your video. Then after that, we have cards. This is something when I teach my students in our academy all about how to optimize your YouTube channel, they're like, I don't understand, like, what is a card? So the card is it's the interactive pop-ups that appear on the right side of the screen, like at the top when people are like, click the card in the top, or the link up here in the video. That's what the card is. Cards can link to videos, to playlists, to websites or other channels, as long as you have your websites, your domains verified, which I have another video on how to do that. And you can find it right up here in the cards. I never know which side to point to. Okay, the next one is category. And this is the classification that best represents your video content. Categories include things like film, animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets, education, sports, travel, events, gaming, people, blogs, comedy, like all the things. Okay, so those are the categories that you can put them in so that they are categorized. The next one is channel. Obviously, your YouTube channel is your channel, the YouTube page where your creator videos are hosted, and it's often referred to as your channel. Then we have closed captioning and transcription. So subtitles or the text descriptions that make the videos accessible to a broader audience. And they offer minimal SEO benefits of keywords that are used, if they're used. And so the closed captioning is super important to add in if you want to optimize your video even more. I found the ones that I have closed caption on just do significantly better. And then we have our CTR, which is our click-through rate. This is the percentage of viewers who clicked on your video after seeing it. So after seeing the thumbnail, they click on there. And then it's calculated as CTR, the number of clicks divided by the number of impressions. So an impression is where you're scrolling and you see a video, a thumbnail. This is why we say thumbnails are so important. That is an impression. If they click it, then that's a click through. Okay, so then we have the description. The description is up to 1,000 characters summarizing the video content. The first 157 characters should serve as a hook, while below the fold space can include timestamps, links, and hashtags, things like that. It's very important also to put your keywords in your description. Then we have end screens. Now, end screens are the interactive element that pops up in the last 15 seconds of your video. Options include video playlists, subscribe, channel links, or link buttons. And once again, you got to verify that domain in order to get your links on there. The next one is hashtags. Hashtags are their keyword formatted with a hashtag in front of it. So hashtag Mandy or hashtag example, something like that, that appears above the video title when you're using it in the description. So you put your hashtags in the description. I do not recommend doing more than 3. Some people do. YouTube displays up to 3, and then the rest of them are down underneath the description. Then live. So live is a real-time streaming feature where creators can interact with viewers via live chat. And then we have our playlist. Now, playlist is a curated collection of videos on a related topic. Playlists add CEO value through their titles and descriptions. It's a great way to organize your videos into different topics. Then we have retention. It's a measurement similar to APV or AVD, indicating how much of your video viewers actually watched. Then we have shorts. And shorts are actually relatively new in the YouTube space. They are similar to Reels. Short form video up to 60 seconds is all we get. It's like a TikTok, a Reel, something like that. And it's created using YouTube's multi-segment camera. Now, the cool thing about shorts is you can actually go into your long form video and create shorts from that. You just remix them. And I've got a video that I'll share about that. It's a great way to promote that video because then if they click on the title of that, it will take them to the long form video. Next, we have stories. Stories are short mobile videos available for 7 days. This feature is in beta mode and it is accessible to eligible channels with over 10,000 subscribers. Then we have the subscriber. A subscriber is a YouTuber who follows your channel, essentially. So, and I have a really great video on how to share your YouTube link with the subscriber. There's like a thing at the end that you put. And so when they click that link, it prompts them to subscribe. So I'll put that in the description. Then we've got tags. Now, a lot of times people get confused with tags versus hashtags. So when you are uploading your video, under the description, there is a place to do tags, and you can do up to 500 characters in your tags. I highly suggest you fill out as much as you can up to that 500. It's a list of keywords associated with the video's topic, which helps in ranking within search results and recommended feeds. So the primary keyword should be at the beginning of the tag list, as well as in the title and in the description. I always recommend doing at least 5 tags in your description. And so when you're doing your keyword research, make sure that you're saving those long tail keywords and bringing them over into the tag section. Timestamps, they are a specific time marker formatted like 0.00, so 0.05 would be 5 seconds, and that lets the viewer jump directly to the different sections of the video. Timestamps are essential for chapters, which it's very important that you put chapters into your video descriptions and enhancing your SEO. It's also really helpful if you want to share a portion of a video, you can get to that timestamp, click the share button, and it will give you the option of starting that video with whoever you share at that timestamp. And then we have the title. The title is a concise 50 to 70 character description of the video's purpose, including the main keyword and relevant branding. And so this is important that you get that keyword in the title, you get it in the description, and you get it in the tag section. You can even use it as a hashtag. And then we have our thumbnails. Thumbnails are what pop up before anybody's watched the video. It's what catches the eye. It's the video cover image. It's 1280 by 720 resolution. And you upload it in either JPEG, GIF, or PNG formats. And it has to be under 2 megabytes, MB, is that what, are those megabytes? I'm so bad with those things, in size. And they use a 16:9 aspect ratio for best results. And then we've got views, and this is counted when a viewer watches 30 seconds or the entire video if shorter, or engages with the video. So they comment, they like, something like that. And then we've got watch time, which is the total time viewers spend watching a video, typically calculated in hours. It can be calculated for individual videos or as the channel as like a whole. And watch time is very important for getting monetized. And so if you are looking to monetize your channel and you're wanting to find more about that, I will put a link in the cards above now that you know what a card is. And I will also share with you my video on how to get monetized before you have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. All right, if you found value in this video, please interact with it. Give it thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section below. I would love to get to know you a little bit better. I'm so excited for you to be on your YouTube journey. This is literally the best place for you to be. I teach social media to thousands of people, and YouTube is always my favorite platform to promote. If somebody's willing to do it, do it. You will not regret it. You will look back in 1 to 5 years and you'll say, I'm so thankful that I did this. This is the best thing ever. I look back and I'm like, why didn't I start sooner? This has been such a blessing to us. And I would have never been able to have 6-figure days and do 7 figures online without this YouTube channel. So I'm so excited that you're here. Keep going, keep pushing, and we'll see you soon.